Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying permissions and creating a quick backup so you can change things without risking data loss. You check roles that affect access and note any recent changes that could cause the issue. Once done, reproduce the problem in a private test channel to observe exact behavior. This helps you target fixes instead of guessing. Make sure to record error messages and which bots or channels are impacted so you can act efficiently. Now you dig into logs and role hierarchy to find the root cause. Permission order matters, so inspect role position and channel-specific overrides. You test bots by rotating tokens, enabling required intents, and verifying scopes. This eliminates common automation failures. Once identified, apply the smallest permission change that resolves the issue, then retest. If fixing a role, move it temporarily above affected roles, test, then set final position. Keep notes so you can revert quickly if needed. Finish by validating the solution on desktop, mobile, and web clients so every member experiences the fix. You update server channels with a short announcement summarizing what changed and how to report regressions, and keep a rollback plan ready. If problems persist, use a controlled reset. Create a new role with baseline permissions, move affected members, and reapply rules one at a time to isolate the bad setting. Finally, escalate with logs and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.